We are going to look into a particular shape that everybody is conversant with and very easy to understand. And the shape we are talking about is called square. The shape we are talking about is called square. And one thing about square, we all know that square has a feature that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Now, let us look into the formulas that we are going to use to find area of a square and perimeter of a square. And first one is number 1. Area of a square is equals to length square. Not length times width, but length square. Length square is equivalent as length times length. Length square is something as length times length. The second one is perimeter of a square. Is equals to length times 4. Length times 4. And the third one is now to find one side of a square when area is given. To find one side of a square when area is given equals to square root of the area. Square root of the area. Now, number 4, to find one side of a square when perimeter is given equals to perimeter divided by 4. To find one side of 4. Now, let's go to diagonal. To find diagonal of a square when area is given equals to area times 2 or in square root. Area times 2 or in square root. Now, to find number 6, to find area of a square when diagonal is given equals to diagonal square divided by 2. Diagonal square divided by 2. The next one, to find one side of a square when diagonal is given equals to diagonal square divided by 2 or in square root. Diagonal square divided by 2 or in square root. Now, these are the formulas you can use to find area of a square, perimeter of a square. Now, I'm going to give one question to solve one question out that contains this, and which is find the area of a square when diagonal 8 centimeter is given. Now, in this question now, I'm going to make use of one of this formula, which is going to be number 6. This number 6, to find area of a square when diagonal is given, and which will give us diagonal square divided by 2. And diagonal square, the diagonal there is 8, which is 8 square divided by 2. 8 times 8 all over 2. 8 times 8 gives us 64 divided by 2. And 64 divided by 2 here, it gives us 32. Therefore, we have 32 centimeter square as the area of the square when diagonal is given. Thank you for one. And moreover, I'm going to put some questions in the comment section. Go to this comment section and see some questions. You can be able to answer it with any of the formula. Thank you.